Hello everyone. First day of March. This is our site. Assembly workshop. Assembly workshop for three formats. Presently have total 8 machines, different types, and for different wire thickness. Now, with different states, some of them to be installed. For the handle parts, the electric parts by the wheels and the bearing. And this one is centered. It's centered for right 3 meter away. And this one almost separate completely to be solid. In Dongguan City, South China, and our factory is very close to China Airport. Just to do our factory to China Airport, 53 kilometers of our factory to China site. Also, within 75 kilometers from our factory to GuangJin International Airport. So, here's our workshop. We are doing machine manufacturer. Medium size machine manufacturer with our own brand, GuangJin. Firstly, let me introduce myself. This is our workshop. My WeChat and stand by on your side. Order for more videos. You can visit. You can take a picture, remember my main contact address, and my WhatsApp and my WeChat, or find more videos about our machine, about introducing our factory, introducing more several machine videos for different types, regular screen, for special screen, for tailor-made screen, and for also customized provide us the joy that we go several according to brand special joy or special samples. Here's at my background the workshop of our machine. We are middle-sized screen machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Our factory, middle-sized, total 23 staff, 23 person total, and founded in year 2005. This is the 20th anniversary for our factory. We have machine for screen forming machine and screen cutting machine. Also for function, special function machines. For example, converters, the house, honeycomb, right together as well. This is our here's my contact, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. For the YouTube, more videos at the YouTube site. For special products for regular convention-free at radio size, we now for convention-free for wire 0.15 max to 8mm and for force free folding machine 0.2 a minimum wire and max wire for 10mm for each diameter. My daily activity with the previous is one idea to visit Facebook site to check our daily business activities. This is my contact on data. We are free machine manufacturer. This is the first day after the Chinese New Year. We are factory manufacturer, CNC spray machine, automatic spray machine. New size total 23 stock. Published in year 2005. And our brand is our own brand. We also have a China utility patent. All 6 China utility patents. For some of our special machineries.
So this is the workshop, our assembly site. Okay, let me show you a close look at more clothes for the machines. This is our assembly site for the spring forming machine. When here's today, May the 1st, March the 1st, 2024. This afternoon at site, over almost 7 machines in different stage. This one, my engineer is set up according to the client's request. This goes for 4 axis cam tab, 4 axis for freight conveyor belt. And this one, this camless 8 sliders, standard 10 axis. The operating system, Chinese, English, or we do provide customized for clients as Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish. Spanish, a lot of there are Spanish for South American countries. Running up usually take 2 or 3 days. You can see the slider, 8 slider, and every slider is driven by servo motor directly. The slider, this slider warming up. Once put on the truss, insert the manger. The slider put on the truss, put on the tool holder and fix on the tools. Here's the forming side. Semicircle just need 180 degrees from the lowest side to the top side. Here's the forming side. The wire goes from the decoil mover head to here side. One product made down cut off. This machine can make a lot of different tasks. For example, the torsion spring, extension spring, pull spring, and special wire forming products, wire bending or wire forming products. This one for wire, feeding wire length, minimize 0.2 and max for 1.6 millimeter. This machine. Here's the operating system. The operating system, Chinese, English. You can see presently running up the gray. The gray wire rotary is not workable, and X1 for X8, 8 sliders, and the number 9 for manger. So the green one is active. The Y for wire rotary, Y for wire feeding. The gray is not workable presently. This operating system max compactable for 15 axis, max for 15 axis, but this one presently 10 axis. This running up two days, almost 48 hours. Then the sliders put on the tools, go next for sampling. Once the sampling completed, we'll go dispatch. And this is the one in sampling. And the wire decoil, the sampling, we will take. Usually we get an order to do 2 items for sampling, and the sampling complete, client come to our factory for a free user training. This is the machine. This one is the machine, and you can see here's the manger. And for this machine for the task, flat strip. So a 4 set tools, including the wire feeding tools and the product forming tools. At work panel, we call it the work panel. The forming tools at like this, the forming tools, the tool holder. This is the tool by tool steel, the manger. Most of the manger in the center have a round hole, but for this task it's a flat strip. This is a flat strip task. This is the clamp. And the slider put on the tool holder, movable tool holder, and this is the fixed on the tools. This is the forming side. Wire material goes move ahead, mostly move ahead, but sometimes it still move backward. Here's the operating system. English, Chinese, so the key figures, all the key figures are here. All the key figures. And this is not touch screen, and set up the programs, set up the key parameters by the keys, and adjust the lead. So this 17-inch for the screen, Chinese, English. We can also give you the customized in Spanish or Russian. And the servo motor, Denki, Japan. Control system, host, Chinese brand, host. Operating system in language, Chinese, Spanish, English, Chinese, or customized as Spanish. You can see this one, the wire decoil, then wire goes moving ahead to the feeding rods. Here's the feeding rods. And in sampling, at this one, at 6 o'clock, a spinner at 6 o'clock. So presently, this one, 4 axes as total. All this machine in different stage, we get loader, then install the machine take 2 or 3 weeks. Then running up, next put on the tools, go sampling completed. Client be here, come to our site for a free using training, and the training completed. Then go next for the dispatch. This one sampling completed, and the training was also completed. So today this one to be packed. Then dispatch left our factory today, the first day of March. This one, the whole set machine for ligature, for medical ligature, for surgical ligature, for the products as like this. I show you, this is 4 axes for the medical purpose, ligature, wire twisted for ligature, this one. Okay, medical, and the wire is the very small wire, 0.25 millimeter, 0.25 millimeter for the ligature. The whole set machine. This is the main machine, and the wire decoil. This is the wire decoil to be dispatched, to be packed. So we are all ready for the tools, for its related tools, for daily use tools, and the decoil is take down the wire feeding. This is the heart of the machine, wire feeding. You can see the mini wire, 0.25 millimeter, and the wire feeding rods, 2 pair feeding rods, the heart, servo motor for wire. This is for servo motor for the main, for the can, and this servo motor for the wire. This for the manger, for the can, for the wire feeding servo motor inside here. Here's the chamber for electric parts, also like transformer, control system mainboard, power supply, air switches, and the cables line up here in the cubic. This machine driven by 380 voltage as China standard, alternative current, 3 phases, power driven by 380 voltage alternative. So this is the can servo motor, can servo motor. Denki 2.7 kilowatts, and this for manger 1 kilowatt. Here's the machine today dispatched for the medical purpose, medical very tiny parts. We go as name medical ligature or surgical ligature. This for the mass producing this one for wire 0.25 millimeter. Okay, this is the whole view of our assembly site, and this is heavy. Max 4, this machine max for the flat task. This is goes for the pipe clamp. our assembly site, and this site for compression spring, 2 axes and 4 axes. This is the 4 axes. The 4 axes. This model GJ28, 4 axes. Sample completed for the copper. Canted spring or slant spring. This 4 axes. High speed and setup easy. Is have an advantage setup. Advantage of this machine, 4 axes, set up easily and change another task very easily. Just take a time within 45 minutes. You can change to another task. It's very easy for us switch different tasks. This is our assembly site. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer. All our machine CNC type, automatic in Dongguan. We also have the workshop for mental precision for the shaft, for the gears, for different mental parts. This is the slide cameras with wire rotary heavy duty. Cameras with wire rotary heavy duty one for wire minimize 3 mm and a maximum for 8 mm. This one to be loaded in 9.6 high type container. Okay, we are middle-sized spring machine manufacturer, and this is Baker Export Sales Manager. Okay, next I'll show you some of the documents to introduce more details of our machine and our ability.
Hello, I'm back. The Baker Export Sales Manager. My contact middle-sized with our own brand. We are spring machine manufacturer with our own brand. GuangJin spring machine, GSM. GuangJin spring machine with export license, with export permit. We have the banking account for US dollar, for Europe, for US dollar, for euro, for foreign payments. You can also take a lend payment of RMB from outside China. We are exporter. We have export license. We are spring machine manufacturer, professional, funded in year 2005, middle-sized. Our total staff, 23 total. I'm export sales manager, Baker. In this fact, I'm always work in this factory almost 8 years. So we do a lot of from clients, different wire bending, wire forming products. If you have the same or similar one, because this is in the early stage of 2025. If you're planning for edit by some more spring machine, you can send me your inquiry to my WhatsApp, to my website. We are machine manufacturer. So this check every of them, if you have the same or similar one, send me your inquiry. If you are planning for machine purchase. Also, next time, once you come to South China, you can take 1 to 3 hours to our factory. Let's have a face-to-face talking, face-to-face discussion about your tasks. I will select some of our machines for you comparing. This is our screen cutting machine. 2 axes, 4 axes, and 6 axes. Screen cutting machine. The special product, special machine for special function. Convert that, number 1, convert that chocolate coating and wire mesh, spiral wire mesh. Number 2, pipe, grip, and hose clamp. Number 3, wire straightening machine. Number 4, tail thread insert making machine. Tail thread insert. This conveyor belt related. Three models available for the wire from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. And this three-fold machine, smart, 10 axes to 15 axes. Smart, set up easily and easy to for your learning, easy for operate. Price competitive service. Price competitive service. Widely used in agriculture tasks for lake time, lake teeth, for harvester, for straw baler, for tea, collecting machine, agriculture machinery. Mostly as standard, our machine driving by 380 alternative current, 380 volts alternative current, 3 phases, China standard 380 voltage. We can also provide a customized solution according to your local standard. Next, I show you the samples. bending products. This like a page. This like a page. Like a trophy, like English Premier League trophy. The wire bending products. Fishing, ice fishing, wire bending products, ice fishing, 3mm. One piece take time about 30 seconds, 25 to 30 seconds bending this machine, these products. The flat conveyor belt. Flat 3mm stainless steel. Hook. Household using hook. For bicycle, for kitchen, stainless steel hook. Suspension spring, anti-vibration spring, irregular conversion spring, rectangle at flat, rectangle at base, and flat at top. Tower shape, irregular compression spring. The regular compression spring this one using 4, this one using 4. Automatic beverage selling machine. And this is the conveyor 2.5 single. Look at both edge. Single at both edge. For chocolate, chocolate remote. Conveyor belt. Foot. Processing conveyor belt. And material 3.5mm. Foot grade stainless steel. Foot grade stainless steel. Meanwhile, we also have a lot of different products. For example, the honeycomb. This is the single unit. Conveyor belt, single unit. Conveyor belt, single unit. Honeycomb, flat, honeycomb, posture, honeycomb, posture. Different wire size, 0.4 max to 2. 0.4 to 4 mm. This one, 2.5 stainless steel. We made it in different lengths as the side look, and base look. We can make it as long, mostly 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 80 centimeter. We can also make it as extended 2.5 mm. 2.5 meters. A single piece. This small stainless steel 1.4 millimeter. Processing chocolate coffee, however, also harmful, flat, however, for white, still stroke, white, max 15 millimeter. Lots of different samples. The pipe, the plastic pipe, clip, the pipe clip, 3 millimeter stainless steel, in different white, in different overall diameter. For example, this one, 50 millimeter or 70 millimeter. We can make it as max to 156 millimeter. Our special machine for this only. A special machine must produce this at rate 14 to 20 pieces per minute. The spiral wire mesh. A short example. Stainless steel, we can make it extended as long as wish. For example, 1 meter, 2 meter, 2.5 meter, as long as wish. Suspension, anti-vibration springs. It's wider usage. This one, very wider usage. Agriculture, machinery, leg time, leg teeth. Agriculture machinery, torsion spring. For harvesting, for strawberry, leg time, leg teeth. 4 millimeter, max to 8 millimeter. And different shape. All that we call it agriculture, machinery, torsion spring. And the cross extension, cross spring.
So this is our workshop, and this is the to be packed for one machine. This one came with 11 axes, model GJ25X, this one. Feeding wire, precision wire, mini wire 0.2, max for 2.5 millimeter. And coming for a machine packing for packing for the dispatch. This is the first day, first working day, and this machine to be packed soonest. This one to be dispatched soonest. This one, cam tab, 4 axes for medical ligature, for surgical ligature. And this goes for sampling. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. This is coming for the dispatch. We are spring machine manufacturer, CNC type.